bread in my hand. Dreams on the table, let's make something beautiful, stitch by stitch.
Hi, it's LeJanaro. Welcome back to my channel. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today I will be trying to finish up both pair of shorts. I started the first pair of shorts, I started it in the work in progress Wednesday video that I posted my last video. So I'm hoping to finish that up and then take pictures in those and then finish up the simplicity shorts that I have cut out. So let's cross our fingers. Even if I don't get it done today, I'm going to work until I get them done. So even if I have to come back another day and finish up the second pair of shorts, I want those shorts finished. Okay, so I know it's hard to see because of the print of the fabric. I had to put the pocket a little bit further down because I added that inseam pocket. So I'm glad that I shortened that pocket because it wouldn't have worked. It would have been way too long. So now I'm just pinning the pocket, and then I'll, pin and sew the flap. On top of it. But I know it's hard to see because of this fabric. I had this fabric out, so it won the toss-up when I was trying to figure out what fabric I wanted to make these shorts out. So now I'm just going to take it to the sewing machine and sew down both sides and across the bottom to secure the pocket. Then I'll sew the flap on. So I will, match it up here and so match it up here on my line of mark, sew across, and then flip it down, and then I'll do a top stitch on it. And I'll have my cargo pocket. Again, I do apologize. I know that's hard to see. Right, now that I got both sides, both pockets sewn on, I can place these with right sides facing. And sew down this side. After I do that, I am going to serge this, but after I do that, you just turn one pant leg to the right side, and keep one with the wrong side facing out. And so let's say this one is the one that I'm keeping with the wrong side facing out. I would turn this one to the right side. Right, and then I will place this one on the inside of this one and then sew around the crotch area. But one step at a time. All right, the shorts are done. All I got to do is hem them. And I'll do that. I'm just waiting on my iron to heat back up so I can iron the hem. But here's the cargo pocket here. I know it's a little hard to see because of the print, but I think these are super cute. I wouldn't mind making these again, in a different fabric, of course. But yeah, I got the cargo pocket done. It wasn't difficult at all. Just have to take your time and do it. But love them. Love the shorts. I'm gonna hem them, and then one day this week I will take a picture in them so you can see what they look like on. Alright, so next up I'm going to work on this Simplicity 1165. I'm making view C, these shorts here. This is the last thing that I have cut out. So I'm proud of myself that I'm actually getting this done. I want to, but I'm not going to put that pressure on myself. I want to do another jumpsuit, and I want to do another paper bag waist pant, but I'm not going to put that pressure on myself. I'm going to focus on 1165 and then we'll go from there. Not in this video, but I mean just in general, I'll go from there and determine what other garments I want to make later. But I think the next couple of videos for me after this one is probably going to be bag related, because I need to make some bags to put on my website. All right, so I'm going to get started on this.
Oh, thread in my hand, dreams on the table, let's make something beautiful, stitch by stitch. I got fabric laid out, colors in a row, stitch by stitch. I'm making it mine, thread by thread. I'm taking my time, cut so press, let the beauty unfold, turning dreams into something I can hold. Coffee on the side while the soft light glows, pattern pieces waiting, scissors taking flight, turning little ideas into magic tonight. Every seam tells a story, stitch by stitch. I'm feeling the vibe, crafting joy with my heart open wide. From my hands to the world, let it shine. This creative love is mine. Every detail got a little glory, from the first cut to the final press. I'm creating something I can call my best, So let the needle move slow. Stitch by stitch, I'm making it mine. Thread by thread, I'm taking my time. Cut so press, let the beauty unfold. Turning dreams into something I can hold. Let the rhythm just flow in this crafty little space. I'm finding my grace. Buttons, ribbons, paper, glue. Stitch by stitch, I'm feeling the vibe. Crafting joy with my heart open wide. From my hands to the world, let it shine. This creative love is mine.